Hello dear students, welcome back to the series of ICET videos. So in the last video, we had a discussion on the questions of TS ICET 2023 paper. Question number 45 to 50 we had a discussion. So in this session, we'll have a discussion on very important model in ICET examination, that is coding decoding passage based questions. So ICET is repeatedly every year is focusing on this type question. So they will be giving a passage. Based on that passage, there are 5 linked questions given and you have to follow the instructions of the coding which is given and you have to solve. కొంతమంది స్టూడెంట్స్ డౌట్ క్లారిఫికేషన్ ఎలా చేసుకోవాలి, ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ వస్తే మిమ్మల్ని ఎట్లా అప్రోచ్ అవ్వాలి అని అడుగుతున్నారు. సో వాళ్ళ కోసం అని చెప్పేసి టెలిగ్రామ్లో ఒక ఛానల్ క్రియేట్ చేసినాం, టిఎస్ ఏపీఐసెట్ 2024 ఫ్రీ కోచింగ్ అని. సో ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్, you can just clarify your doubts by posting your doubts in the Telegram channel. So if you feel like this question is doubtful and I am solving some previous questions, I am not able to solve this, అట్లాంటివి ఏమన్నా ఉంటే you can ask the doubts in the Telegram channel. Okay, సో ఎందుకంటే ఇది మనం ఫ్రీ కోచింగ్ అని పోస్ట్ చేసినాం. సో ఈ ఫ్రీ కోచింగ్ ప్లేలిస్ట్లో యూ కెన్ సీ ద ఎంటైర్ ప్లేలిస్ట్. ఈ ప్లేలిస్ట్ మీరు ఫాలో అయితే మీరు సీక్వెన్స్లో ఒక ప్యాటర్న్లో ఐసెట్ ప్రిపరేషన్కి చాలా ఈజీగా వెళ్ళొచ్చు. అండ్ ఐఎమ్ షూర్ మీరు ప్రాపర్గా ఈ సీక్వెన్స్ని ఫాలో అయితే బిలో 100 ర్యాంక్ తెచ్చుకోవడం అనేది పెద్ద డిఫికల్ట్ టాస్క్ అయితే కాదు. సో కాకపోతే ఈ ఓన్లీ వీడియోస్ చూడడం వల్ల మనకి పెద్దగా యూజ్ ఉండదు. వీడియోస్తో పాటు యూ హ్యావ్ టు గో త్రూ ద ప్రాక్టీస్ క్వశ్చన్స్. అంటే ప్రీవియస్ ఒక 10 years పేపర్స్ కానీ మనం ఫినిష్ చేసిన టాపిక్, అనలైజ్ అయిన టాపిక్ ఉంది, దాని మీద ఒక 200 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. మనం డిస్కస్ చేసేది ఓన్లీ 2023 పేపర్, అందులో 10 క్వశ్చన్స్ మాత్రమే ఉన్నాయి. సో ఒక్కసారి 2023 పేపర్ అయిపోయింది అని అంటే 200 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఫినిష్ అయిన తర్వాత విల్ బీ డన్ విత్ ఆల్ ద సెషన్స్ ఆఫ్ 2023 క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్. దాని తర్వాత ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్ ఇన్ డీపర్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఆన్ అనాలజీ, ఆడ్ మ్యాన్ అవుట్, కోడింగ్ అండ్ డీకోడింగ్, సీక్వెన్స్ అండ్ సిరీస్. ఏ టాపిక్ అయినా సరే ఆ టాపిక్లో కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఏంటి, టీఎస్ఐసెట్లో ఏ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు అండ్ వచ్చే క్వశ్చన్స్ని ఎట్లా ట్యాకిల్ చేయాలి ఫాస్ట్గా, ఇవనేది మనం డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం. సో ఇప్పుడు ఓన్లీ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ మాత్రమే డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో హోప్ ఇట్ ఈస్ క్లియర్. సో మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే టెలిగ్రామ్ ఛానల్ లింక్ నేను కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో పెడుతున్నా, యూ కెన్ జాయిన్ ఇన్ ద టెలిగ్రామ్ ఛానల్ లింక్. సో లెట్ స్టార్ట్ విత్ ది క్వశ్చన్స్. సో యాజ్ ఐ టోల్ యూ, ICET examination is having 200 questions and out of 200 questions, 75 questions are given from analytical ability section. Out of 75 questions, 55 questions are given from problem solving. In this 55 questions, 10 questions you are going to see from coding and decoding. Out of these 10 questions, 5 questions are given as a passage based questions and 5 questions are individual questions. So we had a discussion on individual questions. Today we'll have a discussion on passage based questions. So if you look at the questions on passage based, only skill or only prerequisite for you to solve the questions of passage based is you have to remember the alphabets with the respective positions. So for that you can use EJOT trick, EJOTY. EJOT will indicate 5 multiplier positions, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So remember EJOT trick to remember alphabet positions, but once you are able to see any alphabet, you should be capable of telling that in form of number. So for example, coding is given. How can we write in numbers? So C is 3, O is 15, D is 4, I is 9, N is 14, G is 7. Like that you should be able to write them blindly without looking at those alphabets. So that is the skill which is required from your end. Let's jump into the questions. So as I told you, this passage based question will have some set of instructions. You have to follow the instructions and code each and every alphabet, and based on that you can solve the question. So if you observe this passage, they given that the letters of English alphabet A, B, C, D and so on till Z are written in a round circle in a clockwise direction. So A, B, C, Z, so they given A, B, C and so on X, Y, Z, they have written in the round circle. And now a letter with even number, code with even number is coded as third letter comes after it. That means, for example, let's assume that we have a letter D. What is the D position? D is the fourth alphabet. So any letter which is even number letter will be coded as third letter that comes after it. That means if it is a fourth letter, 4 will become 4 plus 3. Next, 4 plus 3. What is 4 plus 3? 7. What is seventh alphabet? G. That means the code for D will be G. That is what he is trying to convey. All even letter alphabets will be coded as third alphabet next to it. And while the letter which is having odd number position, which is coded as third letter that comes behind it. That means, for example, I have an alphabet E. What is E position? E is 5. So this odd number position alphabets will be taken as third letter behind it. That means 5 will be taken as 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is nothing but 2. 2 is nothing but B. That means E is coded as B. So like that the coding is happening. That is what he is trying to convey. And to give a clear example, they given an example for it. So you can also observe this example to get some clarity. So the condition is this. For example, a letter is coded with H is coded as. So 8 means letter H. H is coded as what? 8 become 8 plus 3, 11. 11 means K. H is coded as K. And if a letter is 19, 19 means S. So odd letter will be taken as minus 3. So 19 minus 3 is 16. That means P. Like that the coding is happening. That is what he is trying to convey from the entire passage. And this is a question which is given in 2023. So this passage is having 5 questions. Let's look at and understand how can we tackle the questions belongs to this passage. So question number 51. The word tiger is coded as what? The word tiger is coded as. So if you observe, tiger, T is 20. As I told you, if it is an even number will be taken as 3 letters forward. So 20 will be taken as 23. What is 23rd alphabet? Which is W. That means answer will be definitely either 1 or 2. Let's check the second one. Second one is I. I position is what? I is the 9th alphabet. 9th alphabet means it's an odd number. Any odd number alphabet will be taken as odd number minus 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6th alphabet is what? F. So your answer choice must be 2, eliminate 1. So this type of elimination method you have to apply in the exam. So you can solve the entire code for a tiger, but there is no use of solving the entire code. So you just look at the options and play with the options. That is the best approach when you are solving the passage based questions under the coding and decoding. So let's look at the next question. Question number 52. So how the word bonus is coded? So if you observe, B is what? B is a second alphabet. So any even number is taken as 3 letters forward. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5th alphabet is E. So your answer choice must start with E. Eliminate option 2 and option 3. Answer can be either 1 or 4. And let me check out the second alphabet. Second one is O. O is what? 15th alphabet. As I told you, any odd number will be taken as odd number minus 3. That means 15 minus 3 will be equal to 12. 12th alphabet is what? 12th alphabet is L. So answer must be starting with EL. Only one option is there, which is that. Mark the answer choice as option 4. Hope you are able to understand. Look at the next one. Question number 53. The word that is coded as prime. So you can observe in this question, they just given a reverse one. So in the previously, the question is the word coded as what? The word bonus is coded as. And now in this question they are asking the word that is coded as prime is. That means they are asking the reverse question here. Which word is coded as prime? They are asking. That means this first one we have to figure out. So first one, this is 16. That means which one is taken as 16? So if you observe, S is 19. Let's plug with the option. S is 19. 19th alphabet is coded as what? 19 minus 3, which is going to be 16. That means definitely this will be a possible answer and this will be a possible answer. We can eliminate these two. Why we are eliminating these two? Because if you observe, M is going to be 13th alphabet. So 13th alphabet, any odd number will be taken as odd number minus 3. That means 13 will become 10. 10 means J. So this won't be possible answer choice. Answer will be either 1 or 3. Let's move on to the second one. R is what? R is 18th alphabet. Which one is taken as 18th alphabet? U is 21. 21 will be taken as 21 minus 3. That is nothing but 18. But if you look at O is 15th alphabet. 15 can be taken as 15 minus 3, which is going to be 12. 12th alphabet is L. So that is not possible. So eliminate this option. Mark the answer as this. Mark the answer as this. That means your answer choice must be S, U, F, J, B. S, U, F, J, B. If you want to cross check, you can again cross check. This is 19. 19 will become what? 19 minus 3, which is 16. 16th alphabet is P. And U is 21. 21 will be 21 minus 3, which is going to be 18. 18 is nothing but R. and F is 6. 6 means even number. Even number 6 will become 6 plus 3, 9. 9 means I. And J is 10, even number. 10 will become 13. 13 means M. And E is 2, even number. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 means E. Like that you are going to have the code. Hope you are able to understand. Moving forward to question number 54. The word that is coded as dusty. So here also that is a reverse question. They are not asking what is the code for dusty, and this type of questions are repeatedly they are giving reverse based questions. So student should not confuse. If you confuse, you will get a different answer. That answer also definitely available in the option choices. That's why read carefully the question. So whether they are asking a direct coding or a decoding. So it's a direct question or indirect question you have to observe. So the word coded as dusty, that means here also it is a reverse question. Which word is coded as dusty is a question. So that means if you take, this is a first alphabet. First alphabet means odd number. Odd number will be taken as odd number minus 3. So 1 minus 3. So my 1 minus 3 will become what? 26 and 24. So that is not possible, but we need this as fourth alphabet. So this is not a possible answer. Answer cannot start with A. But if you take G, so seventh alphabet. And as I told you, whenever you see odd number will be taken as odd number minus 3. This is what they given as an instruction. So that means answer will be D. So G will be taken as D. That means answer can be either 2 or 3. Let's look at the second one. U is what? Second alphabet is 21. Which one is coded as 21? If you take 24 here, 24th alphabet will be taken as 24 plus 3, 27. But it won't be 21. So that means this is a wrong answer choice. If you take 18 here, 18 will be taken as 18 plus 3, which is 21. Yes, it is matching. Mark the answer option 3, eliminate option 2. That is what we have to do in this. So last question from this type, question number 55. What is the code for pencil? What is the code for pencil? So that means it's a direct question. There is no much difference here. So they are asking the code for pencil. Look at the first letter. First letter is what? P. P is what? 16th alphabet. Any even number letter will be taken as plus 3. 16 plus 3 will be 19. That means answer will be starting with yes. Eliminate option 1 and 3. And let's look at the second one. Second one is E. E is means fifth alphabet. Fifth alphabet is taken as, or any odd number will be taken as odd number minus 3. Fifth alphabet will be taken as 5 minus 3, 2. 2 means B. This is the answer. Eliminate option 4. So use always elimination when you are solving the question. So hope it is clear, and I am just giving some practice question. So look at this condition. Observe the condition which is given. Using this condition, there are 3 linked questions which are given. So you can solve those 3 linked questions and answer. Comment your answers in the comment box. So English alphabets A, B, C and X till XYZ. So 1 to 26 alphabets. In certain code, nth letter is coded as n plus 9 if the letter is ranging between 1 to 17, and n minus 17 if the letter is more 18 to 26. This is a condition. So just for understanding, I will just take an example and discuss the one code. So using that you can solve all the practice question 1, practice question 2, practice question 3. So solve those and comment your answers in the comment box, and I will just take one example to understand this better. Let's assume that I have any alphabet L. How the alphabet L is coded? So what is L position? L is actually 12th alphabet. L is actually 12th alphabet. So any alphabet which is ranging between 1 to 17. 1 to 17 means A to Q. What is 17th alphabet? 17th alphabet is Q. So any alphabet from 1 to 17 will be taken as n plus 9. That means 12th alphabet will be taken as 12 plus 9. What is 12 plus 9? 12 plus 9 is going to be 21. What is 21th alphabet? It is going to be U. That means L must be coded as U. That is the meaning of this. Let's assume, let's take the another alphabet. Let's take alphabet V. What is V position? V position is 22. That means V is coded as what? Any alphabet ranging between 18 to 26. 18 to 26 means 18th alphabet is R, 26th alphabet is Z. So 18 to 26 any alphabet is there. That means 22nd alphabet is given. Let's assume that is coded as n minus 17. That means 22 minus 17. What is 22 minus 17? It will give a result as 5. What is the fifth alphabet? Fifth alphabet is E. That means V is coded as E. That is what is the coding happening here. Using the same set of instructions, please solve the practice question number 1 and practice question number 2 and practice question number 3. So just pause the video and look at the question, solve, and any doubts are there regarding the practice questions or regarding any ICET examination guidance or colleges or anything which you have as a doubt, you can post your doubts in the Telegram channel. So I am just giving the Telegram channel description in the chat box, so you can use that. So you can use or utilize this free ICET coaching for 2024 examination. The students who are planning to go for MBA or MCA after finishing their degree and their BTech, you can utilize this videos to make the career in a better way. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.